Welcome to Quivr CRM. I'm Steve Drost. I'm the founder of Quivr along with my brother Ryan. We are super excited to have you here. And assuming you are new to this system, you're in the right spot. Welcome to the Quivr New User Onboarding Course. Now, this course is set to take you from having zero knowledge of Salesforce, zero knowledge of Quivr, over the course of 20 days to getting you at least as efficient as you are in your current system. Now, the course is scheduled to take 4 weeks. It may or may not take you that long. Each day is about 15 to 20 minutes long. Some days are shorter, some days are longer. And if you want to pump through them much faster than that, no worries there. Some people do it in a day. Some people take the full 20 or 30 days. But the course is going in a very specific order. And it's also meant to lay foundation for future learning in Quivr as you're a user for months and years to come. Now, before we jump into that, a few quick things we highly recommend you do. First, register for office hours. We offer office hours every week. Get there. Come. We have found that users that attend office hours most of the time during their first 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks on the platform, their knowledge, their efficiency, everything is just better, right? Dive in, learn, come, ask questions. The second thing is familiarize yourself with Trailhead. We're going to talk about that on day one, but Trailhead is Salesforce's community where they have all of their learning content. A lot of it's not going to be applicable to you. A lot of it is geared towards developers, but a lot of it is also really, really helpful. Now, on to the course. Like I mentioned, the course is supposed to be about 20 days long, each day 15 to 30 minutes. A couple days are shorter, a couple days are a little bit longer, and it goes in a very specific order. In the first week, we're going to get orientated. We're going to get logged in. We're going to get some things connected, focus on integrations. A lot of those things are just making sure it looks and feels right. Week 2, we're going to start getting into the Quivr vernacular, the Quivr vocabulary. We use a lot of words. Salesforce uses a lot of words. Week 2 is meant to get you to understand the foundation of Quivr so that the rest of the onboarding course makes sense, the rest of the information in the community makes sense, and then also when we communicate about issues, we're on the same page. Week 3, we're getting into the basics. How to use Quivr, how to log tasks, how do we run our day-to-day. Now, it might seem weird that we're not getting to this until week 3, but if we are assisting you with migrating data, it's going to take some time to get that data going anyways. So odds are there's a good chance that your data and your contact information, your households, might not even be in the system until week 3. So this doesn't mean we're not going to teach you how to use the system for 3 weeks after you have it. There's just a good chance you're not using it anyways. Now, if you're DIYing your migration, it might not be a terrible idea to pump through week 1 and 2 pretty quickly so we can get to week 3. So you start learning the ins and outs and how to use it in your day-to-day. And then lastly, week 4. Week 4 is all about laying the foundation for future you. So if weeks 1 through 3 are all about learning the basics, getting familiar, getting as efficient in Quivr as you were in your prior CRM, week 4 is the opposite. Week 4 is planting those seeds, introducing modules, introducing deliverables, introducing Archer, our operations backbone, so that you in the future now have the power and the tools and you're empowered to go learn about those things. There's no use in you diving into the tax planning module today and learning about how to make a tax planning deliverable. There's no reason to do that today. However, after you take the course, after you're on the system for a bit, and then tax season comes, that's the time to dive into that. So that is what week 4 is. It is getting you set up to master the system on the topic that you need when the time comes. And then lastly, this course, it's really important. It's going to lay the foundation for all things Quivr as you become a user and eventually a power user of this system. We do expect you to finish this course. We do expect you to go through this course. We've adapted and revamped this course based on feedback from users, based on questions we've received over the first year to 2 years of our company being in existence. Our hope is that we can help you succeed if you go through this course. And obviously, we're revamping it all the time. We get questions, we have issues, we're improving this course. So as of now, this is the best way that we can think of to empower you to be successful on this platform. And once you're done with this course, that's when we consider you a normal ongoing user. At that point, get into the no longer the new user office hours, come to the existing user office hours, where we're not just talking about Quivr, but we're really talking about how we can empower you to use Quivr to be as successful as possible, right? The more complex things, more helping you with business cases, really being that quasi-operations consultant. Again, excited to have you here. We love it when our community grows. Cannot wait to see what this system can do for you. But get registered for office hours, learn some things about Trailhead, power through this course. Can't wait to see you at office hours.